Here's how you can increase the GPU performance for any particular game or application on Windows 10 and 11. Right-click on the Start icon to open the settings. Go to the System options and then go to Display. Scroll below and open the graphics. Now let's say that you want to run the VLC Media Player to run on higher graphics. Just go to the options and select High Performance and save. Please sub and follow for more PC guides. Here's how you can reset your Windows 10 or 11 if it gets corrupted. First, go to the Start button and click on Settings. Next, go to Update and Security. Look for this option called Recovery and Get Started. You will see two options. First option deletes programs and current config but keeps your files. Second option removes everything. Make your pick and go ahead. Select Cloud Download if you want to download Windows again from the internet, or select Local Reinstall if you have Windows installer files in a pen drive or CD. Make sure to sub for more PC guides. 3 easy steps to clean all junk files in Windows 10 or 11. First, go to Run and open Temp. Use Shift-Delete to remove everything. Next, go to Run again and open %temp%. Use Shift-Delete to remove all. At last, open the Cleanup Manager from Run. Select C drive, check everything, and delete files. Make sure to sub for more PC guides. One simple step to make your PC faster than ever. Click on the Start button and go to Run. Type sysdm.cpl and press Enter. In the new window, go to the Advanced tab. Under the Performance, go to the Settings section. Select Adjust for Best Performance and click OK. Restart your PC and it will be much faster than before. One easy step to delete all cache files on Windows 10 and 11. Press Windows plus R to open Run. Type Prefetch and click on OK. A new tab will open up. Select all the files and delete everything.